If you're exploring stock trading platforms in India, chances are you've heard of the Dhan app. Launched by Moneylicious Securities Pvt Limited, Dhan has quickly positioned itself as a technology-forward brokerage, aiming to simplify the trading and investing experience. But in a market crowded with options like Zerodha, Upstocks, Growu, and Angel One, the real question is Dhan worth using? Let's find out in this deep dive review. What is Dhan App? Dhan is a mobile and web-based stock trading platform that offers zero commission investing in equity delivery, along with fast execution for intraday, F, O, futures and options, ETFs, commodities, and even IPO applications. Designed for both casual investors and active traders, Dhan comes loaded with features like direct trading view integration, advanced order types, margin trading, and more. The company markets itself as tech-first, promising performance, precision, and modern infrastructure built specifically for Indian users. But marketing claims aside, what's the real experience like? User interface and first impressions. When you first open the Dhan app, it immediately feels modern and data-rich. The dashboard presents your portfolio, recent market movements, watch lists, and margin balance, all at a glance. Navigation is intuitive, though some users, particularly beginners, might feel a bit overwhelmed by the sheer number of options and screens. This is not a stripped-down investing app like Grow. It's designed to be powerful, and it shows. The design gets points for functionality, but it may not feel as polished or minimal as some competitors. Some users online have pointed out minor bugs or slow load times after app updates, but the development team seems responsive in pushing fixes. Key features of Dhan. Dhan distinguishes itself by offering several features that are often missing or paid in other apps. TradingView integration. This is a huge win for active traders. Dhan lets users trade directly from TradingView charts. You don't need to open multiple platforms or manually place trades. It all happens in one place. Advanced order types. This includes bracket orders, cover orders, trailing stop loss, and even forever orders, GTT-style orders that stay active for up to 365 days. These are incredibly useful for setting automatic strategies or hedging risk. Basket orders allows you to execute multiple trades in a group. Very useful for portfolio rebalancing or option strategies. Flash trade for options. This tool allows you to place orders on options chains with built-in Greeks, payoffs, and strategy visualization. It's a one-stop shop for options traders. Margin trading facility, MTF. You can get up to 4x leverage on select stocks under SEBI. Approved rules. Free direct mutual funds. Dhan lets you invest in direct mutual fund schemes with zero commission. This is a welcome add-on if you're building a long-term SIP or mutual fund portfolio. IPO and ETF investment. The app allows seamless IPO applications and ETF purchases through a simple interface. Brokerage and pricing. One of Dhan's biggest USPs is its transparent and competitive pricing. Here's the breakdown. Equity delivery, V0, absolutely free. Intraday trading, 20 per order or 0.03%, whichever is lower. Futures, options, 20 per executed order. Commodities, currency per trade. Mutual funds, free, direct plan, no commissions. Call, trade charges, 50 per call. Auto square off charges, 120 per executed order. There are no AMC account maintenance charges for DMAT accounts either, which is another plus. This makes Dhan one of the most cost-effective brokers for both casual and serious traders. Speed and execution. Dhan claims to be one of the fastest trading platforms in India. Real-world tests from users have shown that order execution is indeed quick and reliable. Many traders appreciate the real-time quotes, minimal slippage, and lightning-fast execution, especially during high volatility periods. The app also shows execution insights, giving you post-trade data on slippage, latency, and price movement. This is extremely useful if you're an intraday trader analyzing performance. Security and compliance. Dhan is a SEBI-registered stockbroker and a depository participant with CDSL. It follows all regulatory norms, including segregation of client funds, two-factor authentication, and KYC verification. It also provides T-pin-based selling, which adds a layer of security for retail investors. Your funds and shares are held with CDSL, not directly in the app. This ensures an added level of protection against misuse. Areas where Dhan could improve. Even though Dhan is highly competitive, it's not perfect. Based on user feedback and reviews from Reddit, Quora, and Trustpilot, here are a few areas where improvement is needed. UI/UX optimization. While feature-rich, the user interface can feel a little busy. Some screens are not as clean or simplified as competitors like Zerodha or Grau. New traders might find the interface intimidating at first. Feature rollout lag. Some users have noted that while Dhan announces exciting features, they sometimes take longer to arrive in the actual app compared to rivals. Limited research and advisory. Dhan currently does not offer in-depth research reports, analyst ratings, or curated investment ideas, something that more full-service brokers provide. This could be a drawback for investors seeking guidance. No desktop trading platform. While the web platform is solid, some users still prefer a full-featured desktop app like Kite or Pi. Dhan currently focuses on web and mobile only. Customer support. Dhan offers customer support via email, phone, and an in-app chatbot. Response times are decent, with most queries resolved within 24 hours. There's also a very active community forum where users can report bugs, request features, and get help from other traders. They also post frequent updates via newsletters and social media, which helps users stay informed about what's new or changing in the app. Who is Dhan best for? Dhan is best suited for active traders, especially those using technical analysis, option strategies, or high-frequency trades. Cost-conscious investors. With zero delivery charges and flat SO 20 per trade, it's one of the cheapest platforms in the market. DIY investors. If you prefer doing your own research and don't rely heavily on brokerage advisory, Dhan gives you the tools but leaves the decisions to you. Options traders. The Flash Trade tool and option chain analytics make it easy to visualize and execute multi-leg strategies. However, if you're a complete beginner looking for handholding, detailed research, or goal-based investing, platforms like Grau or 5paisa might feel more approachable. Final verdict, is Dhan worth using? So, is the Dhan app worth your time and trust? Yes, but with conditions. Dhan delivers where it matters most: low costs, advanced features, and a fast, regulation-compliant experience. Its integration with TradingView and focus on automation puts it ahead of many traditional brokers. But it's not necessarily beginner-friendly. The steep learning curve, occasional UI quirks, and lack of research advisory may turn off new investors or casual users. However, for active traders, self-directed investors, and anyone who appreciates a powerful platform at minimal cost, Dhan is absolutely worth trying. You can always open an account, which is free, test the tools, and start with small trades before fully committing. That's the beauty of tech-first brokers like this. You control the experience from day one. If you've used Dhan, let us know your experience in the comments.